Good morning, students. My name is Akash Tiwari and I welcome you all in today's class. Today we are continuing with our chapter Control and Coordination. In this chapter, we are seeing today we are going to see the directional response of plants to the touch. It means, of course, we all know that if we have, how can we say that plants are living thing or living organism by seeing by observing their growth. Okay, how do the plant grow? Of course, the parts of the plant grow that growth or that movement is said to be their growth only. For example, if you are going to observe the branches of the plant, you are going to see that day by day that branch is getting bigger and bigger. So this is the only thing that we can observe in the plant, and we can say that there is a growth in the plant. So this is only we are going to see here, that how does the directional response of plant it reacts to the touch. Of course, for example, we are talking about the climbing plant. If you have seen many fruit plant, then you have observed a vegetable plant, you have observed that they are rolling on a particular wall. You have seen that if you are putting the bamboo stick, they starts rolling on that stick, or if near wall is there, it starts rolling all over the wall. So they need support to get to grow up. So that support is provided by any of the solid substances nearby. That we are going to see here. Let's start. Some plants have weak stem and cannot withstand on their own. These are called climbing plants. Okay. So what is it? The climbing plants are those plants which cannot stand on their own. So they need support. Okay. So they, first of all, remember they have weak stem and they cannot withstand on their own. They cannot stand on their own. Okay. Moving ahead. Climbing plant have an organ which help them to climb with the support is known as tendril. So climbing plant have organ which help them to climb. So you have seen, whenever you have seen any climbing plant, there is a thread-like structure. That thread-like structure starts rolling on any of the particular substance, on the wall, on the bamboo stick, whatever you put, it starts rolling on that stick. Okay, so this thread-like structure which you have seen is tendril. Okay, remember the word tendril. Tendril is nothing but the thread-like structure, thread-like thing which rolls on the solid substances like bamboo stick or wall. Okay. Tendrils are thin thread-like growth on the stem or leaves of climbing plant. So I was telling this only, that what are they? They are the thread-like structure, very fine thread-like structure which rolls on the wall or bamboo stick. Okay, due for their growth. Why do they need support? Let's see. Cells of tendrils sense their contact with a nearby solid object like bamboo stick, etc. Okay, so what happens that the cells of tendril, they are very sensitive. They sense solid objects nearby. Okay, whatever the solid object will be present nearby, they are going to sense them, and what will happen, for example, like bamboo stick is there nearby. So what will happen? These cells are going to sense them, and after sensing this object, they are going to roll on the bamboo stick. For example, I am taking bamboo stick, they might be wall, bamboo stick, any other support. Moving ahead, growth near tendril is quite slow as compared to other parts, due to which whole plant bend towards the side of the tendril, due to which it touches any solid surface nearby and starts climbing. remember very important thing here. If you are talking about the growth near the tendril, the part, the whole leaf and branch, whatever part will be there near the tendril, that part is going to grow very slow as compared to the parts other than or away from the tendril. Okay, what happens? The part away from the tendrils, they continuously start growing, but this part and the part near the tendril have growth very slow, due to which what happens, the part away from the tendril, what happens, because of their big growth, they tend to bend this tendril. Okay, what happens, since the part away is large and the part towards the tendril is small, so because of this difference, what happens, this tendril part starts getting bent. Okay, and which side it bent? Towards the tendril. Okay, the tendril moves towards the downward direction, due to which it finds support. See, the question arises, how they get support, how they find the support. This is the reason they find the support, because the growth away from the tendril is bigger, due to which what happens, this whole part of the tendril part, they starts bending. Because of this bending, they find support nearby, and after getting the support, they start getting roll, and there of course the growth increases. Okay, so in this way, what happens, the plant responds to the touch. Okay, whenever anything is nearby object, when any nearby object is present there, they starts rolling over it. Okay, in this way, the plants are responding towards any touch. Okay, so this was all about today. Thank you.